Hello friends, welcome to my channel's English version, that is terrace gardening and joyful life. Today I am going to tell you something about this beautiful umbrella shaped plant. Actually its name is Schefflera Arboricola, and other name which commonly people pronounce is the dwarf umbrella or little umbrella. It is an indoor plant and beautiful look it possesses. I have got this in from nursery since past few months in a small pot of 4 inch, and see how much it has grown. Almost 1.5 feet it has grown. It can go up to 2 feet in a small pot. So today I am going to transfer it into a 10-inch pot, right? And for that I will have selected some mixture. Please watch the video till end. I have given a lot of information about this plant and its usefulness. It is an indoor plant. I will just tell that it is the best plant for the lazy gardener, as it requires less care, that you will understand very well in this video. I have taken 4 parts. Each part of garden soil, 1 part of sand, 1 part of vermicompost or compost, and 1 part of coco peat. Right, so garden soil, coco peat, sand, and vermicompost. Each part is 25%. So I have selected this pot of 8 to 10 inch. Now I will put some clay stones below, because many holes I make always, so that well drained soil can easily remove its water, right? Actually it is told that its native is from Taiwan, and the plant has 2 varieties. One is entire green, and this is one variegated, right? And it requires lot of bright light it requires. I am not telling you should put it in the sun. Morning sunlight it can bear, but not the afternoon sunlight. Half hour you can put in the morning sunlight. I have also placed in my room in such place only. It is a beautiful indoor plant because it provides oxygen, and even it absorbs the harmful chemicals from our house, like benzene, toluene, formaldehyde, etc. And thus it get our home rid from poisonous gases. It requires less amount of water, friends. Just allow the first 1 inch soil to get dry. Just put your finger daily and check it. Inside soil should be wet, but it is a plant which don't like full wet soil. It also likes a low humidity, right? Like rubber plant is also indoor plant, but it loves humidity. This plant don't like humidity. It loves the temperature of 25 degree around. Less than it is good. So I told you that it is best summer plant if you put inside your home, because it looks beautiful. Fertilizer you have to provide every month. That is, you can add vermicompost or compost fertilizer every month to 200 grams in a pot of this size 10 inch. Along with you can also provide NPK 19-19-19. That is, take half spoon in 1 liter and pour 100-200 ml every month. See, my soil is so well drained. I am just showing you. When I have added water, it will immediately get absorbed by the soil, because it is well drained. Apart from that, there are many holes at the bottom which allows the soil to get rid of water. Repotting should be done every year or 2, and it will also propagate by cutting. My next video on this plant will be that only. I will also show you how we can grow by cutting. So friends, you can put it in indoor always, so where bright light is coming throughout the day. It will grow very well. It has grown to much extent in my home in a small pot since last 2-3 months. So thank you friends for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video, and please put some comments. Thank you.